Okay, intervals. So if you have two of the same pitches, like here, the interval is a unison. If you have a pitch that is, for instance, like an E to an E, basically do to do, that's called an octave. Some intervals are major, like the second and the third and the seventh, and some are perfect. So the fourth, the fifth are perfect. The sixth is major. Basically, when you count up to or down from the, kind of in between the pitches, that's just called the interval. So if you go from E to A, you count the pitches 1. So this is 1, and then you just kind of count up the scale. 2, 3, 4. So this is a fourth. A fifth would be like from do to so. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you notice you go from a line, to a line. That's 5. It should be pretty easy for the first exercise of learning about intervals. Here is another example of intervals that are in different key signatures. So if you have C to C, you're talking about a unison. C to D, that would be a second. C to E, that would be a third. And basically you're going 1, and then you're counting the space in between, and then you're counting this as 3. 1, 2, 3. So you always start with the note as 1, and then you count up from there. The fourth, like I said, the fourth, the fifth, the unison, and the octave are perfects. The second, the third, you're going to count them as major. And the sixth and the seventh are going to be major. So down here, you're working with ledger lines, so it might be a little confusing as you're counting. Just make sure that you count your lines and spaces appropriately. Here we've got an interval that starts on the bottom line, so this will be really easy to count. 1 on the line, 2 on the space, 3 on the line. Boom, it's a major third. 1, 2, 3, major third. I hope this helps.